Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for Neet. I will discuss biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to qualify Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video content, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. Let's keep this community growing and also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Now let's start. The question is, if you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? The options are serum globulins, fibrinogen in plasma, serum albumins and hemocytes. The correct answer will be first option, serum globulin, because antibodies are the substances formed in response to the antigen as a defense mechanism in our body, and they are called as serum gamma globulin because they can be easily demonstrated inside serum. Next question, which of the following immunoglobulins constitute the largest percentage in human milk? The options are IgG, IgD, IgM and IgA. The correct answer will be option 4, IgA, because the level of immunoglobulin A or IgA in breast milk remains high from 10 days until at least 7.5 months postpartum. Next question, which of the following viruses is not transferred through semen of an infected male? The options are Ebola virus, hepatitis B virus, chikungunya virus and HIV virus. The correct answer will be option 3, chikungunya virus, because Ebola virus has been detected in blood and many body fluids. Body fluids includes saliva, mucus, vomit, feces, sweat, tears, breast milk, urine, semen and vaginal fluids. HIV is transmitted through blood, semen, breast milk and other body fluids. Hepatitis B is usually spread through blood, semen or other body fluids from a person infected with the virus. But chikungunya is an infection caused by the chikungunya virus. It is a viral disease transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes. Now the next question, HIV that causes AIDS first starts destroying. The options are thrombocytes, B lymphocytes, leukocytes and helper T lymphocytes. The correct answer will be option 4, helper T lymphocytes, because AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus or HIV. It has a single stranded RNA with a protein coat. After entry into the host cell, the single stranded RNA is changed into double stranded DNA by a virally encoded enzyme reverse transcriptase. With the help of integrase, the viral DNA gets incorporated into cellular DNA and starts replicating. It is characterized by the reduction in the number of CD4 bearing helper T cells to 20% or less normal ones. T lymphocytes play an important role in immune response and cell signaling. So here the correct answer is option 4, helper T lymphocytes. The next question, match the following diseases with the causative organism and select the correct option given below. The column 1 contains different types of disease and column 2 causes the causative organisms or its characteristics. The options are following and the correct answer will be option 4, because tuberculosis is caused by a harmless bacteria, whooping cough is caused by killed bacteria, diphtheria is an inactivated toxin. Diphtheria can be treated with inactivated toxin, and polio is caused by a harmless virus. This will be the answer, the option 4. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.